Good morning, one and all. I am Bindu R, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government Law College, Ernakulam. Here I am going to present topic before you is a study on factors affecting credit management and loan performance of microfinance institutions. So, what is microfinance? It is a banking service provided to unemployed or low-income individuals or groups who otherwise would have no other access to financial service. So, microfinance allows people to take on reasonable small business loans safely and in a manner that is consistent with ethical lending practice. And the statement of the problem is managing a non-performing loans was one of the microfinance institutions' main concern. The bank's financial performance as well as the economic advancement may be negatively impacted by the growing low repayment performance. As a result, the research statement problem is to fill the gap on loan recovery performance by assessing loan repayment performance and its determinants by conceptualizing different researcher ideas to find out the factors that significantly related to pay on time, that is non-defaulters and loan default. And the review of literature based on the credit risk management is microfinance major goal is to offer financing for micro business and investment, which is projected to enhance income for investor households and thereby improve their standard of living. So the majority of borrowers utilize microcredit funds for basic requirements such as food, shelter and clothing rather than for investment. According to Bayang in 2009 put it, and he suggests some improvised borrowers are preoccupied with pressing economic concerns such as lack of food, lack of seed for planting and paying medical bills among other things at the time of loan disbursement, a habit that makes microfinance payback difficult. And according to 8 in 2002, borrowers' qualities, lenders' traits and loan defaults all have a substantial impact on repayment performance. Each set of characteristics, marginal effects are determined and assessed. Loan delinquency and default are examples of repayment issues. Previous research has shown that greater credit risk control leads to a lower likelihood of default. However, the human aspect cannot be ignored when making credit risk management decision. And from the literature review, we got the research gap. This study concept model is to investigate the elements that influence loan repayments in microfinance institutions, whereas empirical research analyzed by the author suggests potential elements that influence loan repayments according to the literature study. And this research focus on consumer and lender characteristics in order to determine the likelihood of these variables influencing loan payback by microfinance institutions clients. And the objectives of the study is to study the problems and challenges that affect the loan repayment performance, and also to study the significant external related factors that determine loan repayment performance. And mainly the data is collected from secondary source and was gathered from the annual reports of microfinancial institutions, from mixed market journals, the reports of RBI, NABARD, SIDBI, etc. And the microfinance in India, as per the microfinance report, microcredit in India is one of the world's most heavily regulated industries. It is also one of the greatest microcredit sector in the world, with unrivaled reach with low cost loan, scale, supply side diversity, spread efficiency performance, customer protection norms and private sector contribution. Almost 99% of microfinance loans in India are provided to women from low income household, and out of that 98% loans are provided to the joint liability group with the number of customers or number of persons between 5 to 10. The industry has an outreach in almost 600 districts of India. In terms of geographical spread, 76% The loan portfolio is rural and 24% urban. Except non-profit microfinancial institutions, all lenders are regulated by the Reserve Bank of India, and they are charging the interest rate of 18 to 24%. Approximately 30% of borrowers claim that their preference for microfinancial institutions were due to instant access to credit. Though interest rate plays a significant role in the choice of financial institutions, around 20% of microfinancial institutions borrowers cites flexible repayment schedule as a major decision parameter, indicating their willingness to take credit at higher interest rate in their hour of needs. And the credit policies of microfinancial institutions are: microfinance is currently in a period of expansion with a strong reliance on macroeconomic factors and altering consumer demand. As the sector expands, associated risks like fraud, credit risk, security, assets and liability hazards, and inefficiencies will emerge, necessitating efficient portfolio management and fraud management on the part of lenders. This emphasizes the significance of RBI regulations in empowering the business, fostering a healthy and competitive environment, and providing the impetus for the industry to move towards a secure and sustainable position. So the regulators, the government, the financial institutions have established a sustainable NPA, non-performing asset ratio, a primary priority, with numerous guidelines being issued. And the factors affecting repayment performance are: clients' loan repayment default may be influenced by business characteristics such as the size, age, type, location, and earnings made by the business. So as a result, operations such as lending policies, proper local market analysis, proper business screening, and follow-up ensures the loan security. Debt defaults are unavoidable without appropriate process in place, and loan recovery may be a difficult task for microfinance firms. Another consideration is that the collateral riskiness. The less acceptable the collateral from the lender's perspective is, the larger the fluctuations in its market value, or the more doubtful the lender is about its value. Thus, the appeal of various types of collateral to a lender is determined by marketability, longevity, and riskiness. And finally, the study discovered that a variety of factors influencing loan non-repayment, including both business and borrower's characteristics, the type of business, the age of business, collection procedures, credit evaluation, the number of loan officers, and the profit of the business were all considered. And this study concludes that number of factors influence loan non-repayment, including the inherent characteristics of borrowers and their businesses, that makes it unlikely that the loan will be repaid. The characteristics of the lending institutions and the suitability of the loan product to the borrowers, that makes it unlikely that the loan will be repaid, and systematic risk which occurs when the loan is not repaid. And the report proposes that the financing shareholders guarantee that borrowers have access to enough relevant training in the microfinance industry. Furthermore, the training will advise microfinance entrepreneurs on the appropriate types of enterprise to pursue and the necessary quantities of manpower to employ. So these are my reference taken for my study. Thank you. Thanks a lot.